Hey everybody, my name is Hunter Fogg, and today I'm going to be showing you guys through the Polycam phone application. The point of this app is to use lidar laser scanning on the back of an iPhone 11, 12, 13, or a Samsung S10 or newer. And what that's going to do is that's going to render a 3D model of a room or a component that we want to see a little bit more in depth. So we're going to open up the app, and immediately you're going to see all of your past captures, or if you haven't done any, you're just going to see a blank page. Come up here right to the plus sign at the very top right of the screen. We're going to click it, and immediately you're going to see the room through the camera, and then you're going to start to see these grid lines. Now these grid lines, the big ones right here are showing a flat screen or a flat surface. And right here, as you can see, there's a lot of different textures, a lot of different moving pieces in my hand. So you're going to see the grid lines are a lot smaller. So we're going to go through and we're going to click the record button, and we're going to start scanning the room. Anything that's blue means the scanner has not picked it up yet. So we want to go through, and our objective here is to make sure that everything is been scanned and nothing is blue. And you want to go kind of slow because the scanner does have some difficulty sometimes. And in the interest of time, since it does take a few minutes, I'm not going to scan the whole room, but I will scan some key points. So, making sure everything's blue. The best scenario is that you have all these big grid lines everywhere. You don't want the small tiny ones because that means that it can't pick up the texture of the surface. So we're going to go through, we're going to get absolutely everything that we can. And I think that is sufficient. It's giving me the little slowdown message at the top. This application does require you to move kind of slowly. So it does take a few minutes. But I think that's good enough. So we're going to click the stop button at the very bottom. And it's going to give us an unrendered model of the bedroom. So there's the bed, those are the walls, there's the fan, the tree, the desk. So we're just going to click process, and it does take a bit of time, so we're going to wait it out. Okay, perfect. So here is our model. It's pretty sloppy looking at it, but that's okay. And there's a lot of things that we can do here. At the very bottom left, you're going to see a wrench with a process sign under it. That will let us reprocess our image to see if we can get any better image quality out of it. Or we can 3D crop it. And what that's going to do is we can take basically a cube of our model. If we zoom out, we'll see it's pretty much a 3D cube. And we can cut certain pieces off of it, cut sides off of it, anything we want to do. We can take the measure button, and we can measure the opening of this doorway. Or we can come over here and we can take a really nice fly-through video of our model. Now with better lighting, say in a construction site, in a classroom, or in an industrial factory, diffused lighting is often better for this scenario. Direct lighting can be a little confusing because the lasers get lost in the light. So this is our fly-through. And if we go back, we can walk through, or we can simply rotate. So you zoom in, and you can move around your model freely. So that is the Polycam app. And up here, you can click the arrow in the box to share it with people, either using text message, video, or file uploads. Or you can save it in the cloud, or you can click the add button, and you can add more to this model. And if you go back, you'll see that all of our models are still here. We can click on any of them and look at them. And that is the Polycam app. Thank you.